Pupunta kami ng T-Mobile Store. Ayan. Si Carmi. Lalagay sila ng ano, ng snow. Tama na! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Oh, Mom.
Ayan si Princess Fiestes. Ayan, diyan kami namimili. Food Bazaar. Sa Food Bazaar. Ayan. 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 Ah, princess ako naman. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda naman. Ayan.
Halika.
Ang laki-laki na ng snow.
Give me.
Ayan.
Okay, hello. Yan na si Mama.
Ikaw po yung nasa unahan. Ikaw yung nasa likuran.
Why do you want me to be like...
Oh my God. Too much.
See?
Kaya yung ano, yung face ko, diba?
Too bad, Mom.
Too bad.
Yeah, I know. It's good.
Watch out.
Okay. Pikachu tangi. It's Christmas. It's New Year's, stupid ass.
Happy New Year!
Exactly. Yeah, why are you doing that? See my mom, how she walks? What the hell? Stop it! It's not nice.
Yung ka sa unahan, parang
So, we're gonna go to T-Mobile, okay?
oh, yeah. Because what?
Exactly.
Alam mo yun, mga napuwing ako. Pakita mo yung bus. Yung
Huh?
bus. Ayun mo yung bus.
Yun, yung bus. Wait, where's the
Then
bus?
sumasakay kami. Pakita mo
The
yung
bus. Ah, the bus. The bus is right there. The bus is right there. Can you see the bus? No, you can't. Yeah, here's the bus. That's the bus. Like right there. See? Exactly. Ma. Ma, hello.
Hi, hello.
Hello, Kermie.
Hello.
Okay.
Happy New Year!
Ikaw naman, wag ka na sa akin.
Oh? Oh, yan, may sasakyan. Oh, stop. Anak, sige, tuloy mo lang. Hello! Be careful, Beth. You know that I'm just wearing a pajama. Hey, Carmi. Hello! Ate! Ano na daw, ate? Ayan. Lakad lang. Ipakita mo yan. Diyan tayo namimili. Mabalik kami dahil. Yung mukha ko. Kasi na. Puro na ano, snow. God. Kaya yung gym. Yan, gym. The gym. Ayan, dyan dapat ako mag-gym. Ayan.
Tiens, là, t'as ici, c'est la Johnson.
Stop it.
Hi. Ako pa.
Okay. Yan na. Where are we going?
T-Mobile.
I mean to Mobile? Yeah. It's snowing and I hate it because
Kita
like
mo yung mga
right there.
over na ba yan? Baka hindi ko masayaan.
It's over.
Oh,
So I'm gonna stop it.